Which yachts cost the most in the world? If you like sailing or can appreciate the engineering feats shown in this video is for you. To be able to afford even the least expensive superyacht on this list, you must have a net worth in the hundreds of millions, if not the billions. Here are the world's top 10 most expensive yachts. However, before we start our countdown, we would appreciate it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. Let's get started. 10. Serene $300 million. Serene is a boat made in Italy and designed by Raymond Langton Design. It was given to its owner in August 2011. The proud owner of Serene is Russian billionaire Yuri Sheffiler. It has become a popular place for ultra-rich people to rent, rumored to cost billionaires like Bill Gates over $1 million each week. She is one of the largest yachts in the world because she is 439 feet long and 60 feet wide. Prince Mohammed bin Salman of Saudi Arabia bought it in 2015. It can sleep up to 24 guests and 52 crew members. It has a submarine, 2 helipads, a number of pools, and an underwater observation room with a view of the whole area. 9. Al Said $300 million. The luxurious yacht Al Said belongs to the Sultan of Oman. In 2006, someone asked Lursen to make a boat. The ship was only called Project Sunflower while it was being built. It was launched by Lursen Shipyard in September 2007, which made it the second longest yacht in the world. 8. Radiant $320 million. In 2009, Lursen made the Radiant motor yacht for Abdullah Al Futtaim, a wealthy Emirati. The whole length of the Radiant is 360.89 feet, and its width is 53.5 feet. Each of her two MTU 16 volts 1163 TB73L diesel engines makes 8,715 horsepower, and her fuel tanks can hold 360,000 liters, 95,000 US gal. It has great features like zero-speed stabilizers, an elevator, a swimming pool, a beach club, a helicopter landing pad on the top deck, a massage room, a swimming platform, a tender garage, a gym, and a movie theater. 7. Dubai $400 million. Dubai was built by Blohm plus Voss and Lursen, two German shipyards, and put into service in 1995 under different project names. Before 1996, the builder planned for Prince Jeffrey Bolkiah of Brunei to buy it, but the client backed out of the deal the next year. Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum is the person who owns it right now. Platinum by Andrew Winch goes well with the furniture inside. It is 531 feet long and 72 feet wide. The yacht has a disco, 20 water bikes, a squash court, a lobster tank, and a submarine. The Dubai has 8 decks and can hold up to 115 passengers and 88 crew members. The 4 MTU 20 volts diesel engines can move the ship at a top speed of 26 knots. Together, they have a power output of 6,301 kilowatts. With 1.2 million liters of fuel, Dubai can go 8,500 nautical miles. 6. Motor Yacht $440 million. This impressive-looking 390 feet superyacht was made by Blohm plus Voss in 2008. It is thought that the owner is a Russian businessman and philanthropist named Andrei Melnichenko. It weighs more than 6,000 kilograms and is 390 feet long, making it one of the biggest motor yachts in the world. It has 2-man RK280 diesel engines that each make about 9,000 kilowatts. This is enough power to move the boat at a top speed of 23 knots. At her cruising speed of 19 knots, she can go up to 6,500 nautical miles before running out of gas, which takes less than 16 days. A is very luxuriously furnished, equipped, and staffed, especially for a mega yacht. 5. A plus $527 million. This beautiful superyacht, A+, was made by Lursen and comes in at number 5. It used to be called Topaz. The main way the ship moves is with 2 diesel engines made by Peelstick that each have 7,990 horsepower. With this much power, the yacht can move at a service speed of 22.9 knots and a top speed of well over 25.5 knots. The yacht is 482 feet long and has a width of 70.5 feet. It weighs 11,589 gross tons. It has zero-speed stabilizers, a deck jacuzzi, 2 landing pads for helicopters, a swimming pool, a garage for the tender, a swimming platform, air conditioning, and underwater lights. The ship is made up of 8 decks and has a steel hull and an aluminum superstructure. The yacht was first built in a dry dock that was 554 feet long. To finish building it, though, they had to move it to a 720-foot dry dock. It belongs to Sheikh Mansour bin Zayed Al Nahyan. 4. Azam $600 million. This 590-foot mega yacht is the biggest boat ever made. Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan, who is the president of the United Arab Emirates and the Emir of Abu Dhabi, owns this ship. The Azam was made by Serene Yachts, which is one of the most high-end yacht builders. It is the fastest and longest private motor yacht in the world, with a length of 590 feet. It has a beam of 68 feet and a draft of 14 feet. It could go faster than 32 knots if 2 gas turbines and 2 diesel engines with a total output of 47,000 horsepower and 4 pump jets are used. 2 of the pump jets have water outlets that can be moved. These water outlets are on either side of 2 fixed water outlets in the middle of the stern that can be used to change the direction of the thrust. 3. Streets of Monaco $1 billion. The Streets of Monaco is a theme park made to look like the wealthy Mediterranean city-state of Monaco. It has exact copies of famous places like the Monte Carlo Casino, Hotel de Paris, La Rascasse, and even a beach-like swimming pool. The unproven firm Yacht Island Design came up with this idea for a floating mini-city, which is expected to cost more than $1 billion to build. The company is known for making eye-catching designs that never get built. Even so, this grandiose joke was made with a lot of thought. 2. Eclipse $1.5 billion. The Eclipse is a superyacht that was built by Blohm plus Voss in Hamburg, Germany. It is the 4th longest ship in the world. Terence Disdale made both the outside and the inside of her. On December 9, 2010, Roman Abramovich bought this beauty. Until the introduction of the 56-foot longer Azam in April 2013, Eclipse was the longest private yacht in the world at 533 feet. The Eclipse has security tools like self-defense systems, a system for finding missiles, and launchers for missiles. By 2009, Eclipse was also a big ship that used a rotor-based stabilization system based on the Magnus effect to stop rolling at anchor and at slow cruise speeds. 1. History Supreme $4.8 billion. The History Supreme is the most expensive yacht in the world. It is said to belong to Malaysia's richest billionaire, Robert Knock. From the bow to the stern, the yacht is made of solid gold. The 100-foot boat was made by Stuart Hughes, a well-known luxury designer from the United Kingdom. It took him 3 years to build and was made of 100,000 kilograms of real gold and platinum. In the main bedroom, there is a wall made of meteorite pebbles and a statue made from a real Tyrannosaurus rex bone. As if that wasn't enough, there is also a 24-karat gold Aqua Vista panoramic wall aquarium in the master suite. It took 3 years for the builders to put together this 100-foot engineering marvel. But no one has seen this yacht out on the ocean. Most likely because the yacht sails in a stealthy way. These are the top 10 most expensive yachts in the world. Tell us about your favorite one in the comments section below and also subscribe to our channel for more luxury videos. Press the bell icon for all the latest updates. Thanks for watching.